Good morning, sweet potato papad lovers. During this lockdown time, there is a lot of time for us to make use of this time gainfully and fruitfully. So we can prepare sweet potato papads. First, purchase good sweet potatoes, bigger size is better, from the shops, and wash it. If the potatoes are very big, please cut it into pieces and then boil them in a bigger container. And once the potatoes are boiled, whether you can pin them with a sharp thing like this. If they are okay, it is ready for smashing. We need to smash them in a nice, very clean cloth. Put these sweet potatoes in the clean cloth and first remove their skins. Let us remove the skins now. Already boiled, and we need to peel them like this. Take a nice cloth, clean, and put these peeled potatoes, sweet potatoes, and let us smash it. This is how we have to smash it. Within a second it gets smashed, and use that one afterwards to mix. We have to make a good paste of the flour, mixing with banana paste and also the sweet potato paste, and it becomes very fine flour. After proper molding, please make such balls for pressing. Use some coconut oil so that it doesn't stick to your hands. Here is the material of glass papers to press, and also we can use such materials for pressing. There is also a machine if possible. You can use such machines also, and you can have this paste is here. The paste will be converted into balls, and afterwards we press. I will now apply oil to the plastic paper properly, and now you keep the ball there. Put a glass paper, and make this way, and just start slowly, lightly pressing. You have to make a shape so it becomes round shape. Remove this cloth like this, and you can put it on the plastic sheets or banner cleanly, and slowly remove the tightly remove the plastic from the banner. The papad work of molding and pressing is over. Now we are going to put it for drying. We require 2 days of sun to dry this. We have used the banners, cleaned the banners for drying it. This is how you can make sweet potato papads. This is about 150 papads out of 12 kilos of sweet potato. I used 1 kilo of bananas to mix with it for making it pasty. Otherwise, the papads will be having cracks. Few cracks will be there, but yet these papads will be very tasty. We have to fry it after once it is dried. Thank you. You can see these are the dried papads. This is with a little less chili and a little more chili powder here. We are going to fry this one now. You see, it is so nice to fry these ones. Oil is kept here. Here is the fry so fast. Ready. Here is dried crispy papad ready to go. See, this is how it is very crispy. Can eat. These papads are good for tea because they are made out of sweet potato and also mixed a little bit of banana. It's very tasty and very sweet. You have added very little salt and also a little chili powder, hence it is very sweet, nice to eat. It can crispy and also very tasty for tea. Thank you.